Welcome everyone! Today we're getting our gardens ready for planting season. It's an exciting time of year, and with a little preparation, you'll be enjoying fresh homegrown produce in no time. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest gardening tips and projects. We're passionate about sharing knowledge and helping you become the best gardener you can be. First things first, let's talk about cleaning up your garden beds. Remove any debris, dead plants, or weeds that may have accumulated over the winter months. This will give you a fresh start and prevent any diseases from spreading to new plants. Next, it's time to assess your soil. Check its pH level and nutrient content. If necessary, add some organic matter like compost or manure to give your plants a boost. Don't forget to mix it in well so it's evenly distributed throughout the bed. Now that we've got our beds prepared, let's think about planning your garden layout. Consider companion planting, where you pair vegetables, fruits, and flowers together to enhance growth and reduce pests. For example, planting marigolds with tomatoes can help deter nematodes. Another important step is preparing your tools. Sharpen those pruning shears, clean off the trowel, and make sure your gloves are in good condition. Having everything ready will save you time and frustration when it's time to start planting. As we wait for the last frost date, use this opportunity to harden off any seedlings or tender plants indoors. This process acclimates them to outdoor conditions, reducing shock when they're transplanted into the garden. While we're at it, take a moment to appreciate your garden's microclimate. Observe how sunlight filters through trees and where rainwater tends to collect. Understanding these factors will help you place plants in optimal positions for growth. Finally, get excited. Planting season is just around the corner, and with these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to a bountiful harvest. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all our gardening adventures. Happy planting, everyone!